Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.20 from page number 70 of structure of atom. So let's read the statement. Calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity of 2.05 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. Okay, so in this question they have given you the velocity of an electron, that is 2.05 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second, and you have to find the wavelength of an electron, right? So in this case we will use the de Broglie equation, right? So you can write over here, according to the Broglie equation, relation will be lambda equal to h by mv. Now we have to find the wavelength, that means lambda. Okay, and this h is Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. You have to remember this value, right? And this m is mass of electron, and its value you have to remember 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, right? And this velocity, that is 2.05 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. Now if you see, we are having mass in kg, but the units of Planck's constant, that is in numerator, is in joule. That will be quite difficult to cancel these units, right? I'll simply convert this Planck's constant's value in terms of kg, right? So I know that 1 joule is equal to 1 kg meter square second inverse square, right? Simply put the value over here. So it will be 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule, that will be kg meter square second inverse square, and we'll mention second with this. Now this second means second power 1. I'll cancel 1 power with this, right? So the Planck's constant will be 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse. Now you can simply put the values. So lambda equal to h, that is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse divided by this mass 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, velocity, that is 2.05 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. I'll cancel kg with this, 1 meter with this, and second inverse with this second inverse. Lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by 9.1 into 2.05. Your answer will be 18.655, right? And we are having powers over here, 10 raised to power minus 31 into 10 raised to power 7. Units we are having only meter. If you see the value in numerator, that is 6.626, is less than 18.655. To make the calculations easy, what I'll do, I'll simply make this value lesser than 6.626. Right? So for this, I'll simply displace this decimal up to 1 digit from right to left. So in that case, power will be positive. So lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by, I am displacing the decimal up to 1 digit. So it will be 1.8655 into 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into 10 raised to power 7. Now here units meter only. So let's compile the powers first. Lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34. Now if you see the powers in denominator, when I'll take these powers in numerator, it will change its sign, right? This 10 raised to power 1 will be 10 raised to power minus 1. This 10 raised to power minus 31 will be 10 raised to power 31. This 10 raised to power 7 will be 10 raised to power minus 7, right? And unit meter divided by, now we are having 1.8655, right? So when you will divide 6.626 with 1.8655, your answer will be 3.55, right? And these powers are in multiplication, so you can add them. Let's compile the negative powers first. So 10 raised to power minus 34 minus 1 minus 7 and plus 31 unit meter only. Lambda equal to 3.55 into 10 raised to power minus 34 minus 1, it will be minus 35, minus 35 minus 7 minus 42. 10 raised to power minus 42 plus 31, right? So when you'll subtract 42 from 31, your answer will be 10 raised to power minus 11. So wavelength of this electron will be 3.55 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter.